Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Maven version in CMD, alright? Or to verify our Maven version. Well, first thing that you need to do here is to open up the Maven's directory, which is right here. Yours might be different, just go ahead and find it. Now go ahead and double click on Apache Maven, right here. Now go ahead over to bin, go to the directory box, copy its directory. Now go ahead over to your search bar and type in environment variables. Right here, just click on edit the system environment variables, just click on it and this window will show. Well, what we're going to do in here is just click on environment variables, click on it. Now, if you want to, you can install this to one user profile only, or if you want to install it on the entirety of your system or your machine, just go ahead and click on path right here under system variables. All right. Now, once you click on it, just click on edit, head over to new, click on it. Now paste that directory in here. And I'm not going to do it again. As you can see here at the top, I've already done it. All right. Now, once you've done pasting right here, just hit on OK. This one will close and hit on OK. Hit on OK. Now it's added. Now, what we're going to do to verify it is just open up CMD right here, the basic command prompt. So what we're going to type is mvn space -- version right here and hit on enter. All right. As you can see here, I've got tons of error, but this is for another video. Now, as you can see here, Apache Maven 3.9.9 is the version. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.